How to reactivate your Instagram account. So, you've deactivated your Instagram account, and now you want to bring it back to life? We've got you covered. Instagram is a platform full of fun and entertainment, with a ton of content that can keep you glued to your screen for hours. While this can be enjoyable, sometimes a digital detox is necessary, leading to deactivation. But if you've had a change of heart, don't worry. The process to reactivate your account is straightforward. How to reactivate an Instagram account. Here's the thing, Instagram wants you back. The platform thrives on its user base, making the reactivation process as easy as pie. To reactivate your Instagram account, all you have to do is log in. It's that simple. Open your Instagram app or website, which will take you to the login screen. Fill in your username and password in the appropriate spaces. Click on Login, and voila! You should find yourself back in your account without any hassles. This reactivation process works seamlessly for deactivated accounts. However, if your account has been deleted, you will encounter some challenges. Unfortunately, deleted Instagram accounts cannot be recovered. If this is the case, your only option is to create a new account. You can use the same email address, but please note that there's no guarantee your previous username will be available. How to get back a suspended Instagram account. Now, for those who have suspended accounts, the process is different. These accounts typically become suspended due to violating Instagram's terms of service. If you believe you have been suspended unfairly, there is a way to appeal the decision. First, check whether your account is indeed suspended. Simply try to log in. If you see a message saying, "Your account has been disabled for violating our terms," then your account is suspended. To appeal, follow this process. Open the Instagram appeal form on your browser. Fill in your details accordingly. In the last text box, briefly explain why you think your account should be reactivated. Click Send. Instagram will notify you later regarding their decision on your account status. Conclusion. So there you have it. Your deactivated Instagram account can be easily reactivated by simply following the steps outlined above. Remember, if your account has been deleted, you will need to start fresh. On the other hand, suspended accounts can potentially be recovered through the appeal process. If you've been missing the fun and creativity that Instagram offers, now's the time to jump back in. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.